Good morning students, welcome to the class. So we are studying economics first chapter, that is development, and we have to start our chapter from the next topic, that is sustainability of development. So what is sustainable development? We have already discussed in our previous class, in class 9th. That is economic development that is conducted without the depletion of natural resources. So कोई भी इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट जिससे हम जो हमारे नेचुरल रिसोर्स है उसको बहुत ज़्यादा डिप्लीशन नहीं हो रहा है, वो क्या हो जाएगा? सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. सो सस्टेनेबिलिटी ऑफ डेवलपमेंट इन्वॉल्व्स फाइंडिंग वेज फॉर कंटिन्यूस डेवलपमेंट विदाउट द रिस्क ऑफ रनिंग आउट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज और कॉजिंग डैमेज टू एनवायरनमेंट. Sustainability of development also involves more efficient use of our existing resources and also save these resources for our future generation. Related to this, there is a example of groundwater in India. You can read this example. Now, groundwater is an example of renewable resources. You all know that what is renewable and non-renewable resources are. These resources are replenished. What is the meaning of replenished? To make full again by nature, as in the case of crops and plants. However, even these resources may be overused. For example, in the case of groundwater, if we use more than what is being replenished by rain, then we could be overusing these resources. अगर हम बहुत ज़्यादा वाटर का यूज़ करते हैं और हमें पता है कि वाटर रिप्लेनिश हो सकता है थ्रू रेन, बट एक्सेस यूजेस ऑफ वाटर also damage the groundwater. So if we use more than what is being replenished by rain, then we would be overusing the resources. Non-renewable resources are those which will get exhausted after years of use. We have a fixed stock on earth which cannot be replenished. For example, like coal, metals, petroleum, etc. We do discover new resources that we did not know of earlier. New resources in this way add to the stock. However, over time, even this will get exhausted. हम बहुत सारे न्यू रिसोर्सेज को भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं जो कि हमें पहले नहीं पता थे, लेकिन वो न्यू रिसोर्सेज भी धीरे धीरे ख़त्म हो जाएंगे, एग्जॉस्ट हो जाएंगे इफ़ वी ओवर यूज दीज रिसोर्सेज. So the consequences of environmental degradation do not respect national or state boundaries. एनवायरमेंट को जो भी डैमेज हो रहा है, जो भी डिग्रेडेशन हो रहा है, वो किसी एक अलग अकेले नेशन के लिए या एक किसी सेपरेट बाउंड्री स्टेट के लिए नहीं है. ये ऑल ओवर अ ग्लोब है कि इसी ग्लोब में सारे नेशन और स्टेट्स आते हैं. सो अगर एनवायरमेंट को डैमेज होगा तो किसी एक पर्टिकुलर नेशन और पर्टिकुलर स्टेट को नहीं होगा, बल्कि ऑल ओवर इसका इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. दिस इशू इज नो लॉन्गर रीजन और नेशन स्पेसिफिक. Our future is linked together. Sustainability of development is comparatively a new era of knowledge in which scientists, economists, philosophers and others social scientists are working together. In general, the question of development and progress is perennial. What is the meaning of perennial? That lasts for a longer time. At all times, as a member of society and as an individual, we need to ask where we want to go, what we wish to become, and what our goals are. So the debate on environmental countries. So what do we need? A development or a progress? A development without damaging our natural environment. That is the big question. What we wish to become and what our goals are. So the chapter ends here, and rest of the question answer or next chapter we will discuss in our tomorrow class.